What's up everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So just starting off with this video, I am going to take my hair down from my towel. I had just washed and conditioned it, and I'm just going to section off my hair. My hair is in twists because I deep conditioned after taking my locks out. So with that bottom section, I'm going to take down each twist one by one and just add my favorite leave-in conditioner and then run my brush through. That's the Tangle Teaser that I always use and I love it. And my hair is pretty much already detangled because I do that process when I do my deep conditioner. So I just have to run the brush through once or twice and it's pretty good. So this is after I get the entire back section moisturized and brushed through. So I'm just brushing through once more that entire section. And now I'm going to take my Eco Styler. The exact one that I have will be in my description box. And I am just putting that Eco Styler all around the perimeter of that bottom section. Because my hair is long enough, I can kind of do this entire section in one without using a brush or anything. So I'm just going to put that into a ponytail, and then I'm going to start on the top of my hair. So for the top, I'm just going to split that in half as well and just work with one side, whatever side I'm not doing my part on. And I'm once again just going to go through and moisturize. So it's taking down each twist one at a time and adding my leave-in. So then once that section's done, I'm going to take small sections now and pretty much do the same thing that did the bottom, but I'm taking smaller sections and adding a little bit more gel, as you can see. And then I'm just going to use my brush to brush it into that ponytail that I made with the bottom section. And as you can see, it sleeks very, very easily with this gel. This is my first time using this gel, well, this line from EcoStyle, and I actually really like it, so I'll definitely be using it again in the future. So I'm just going to sleek that and then take down that first ponytail and just add them together. So I'm going to do that over that entire section. So just taking one down, brushing it again, and then adding the Eco Style and brushing it into the ponytail and adding it in. It's honestly very, very easy. It's my first time doing this like sleek style, and it was surprisingly very easy. So once I finished that side, I'm just going to go to my other side and figure out where I want my part. And this is after I've done the whole moisture rising and all that good stuff. So now I'm just going to go through and do what I've been doing, just adding the gel piece by piece. And the further you kind of go up your hair, the more gel you're going to need, just because it's going to have to go back further and further. So the more you get up to the top, you're going to have to add more gel down like the length of your hair. And right here, I'm just kind of fixing my part so that it's as straight as I can get it. And just brushing it through. Don't worry about any of the whiteness that you're seeing because it's going to be gone in the end. And this is my last section. Just again, as you can see, by the time I get to the top, I kind of added gel to pretty much the entire section of hair just because it has to go a lot further. And now I just took that ponytail down, adding some more gel to get those flyaways. And I'm just using my brush to make sure it's as flat as I can get it. And then I'm going to do that ponytail one last time and try to get it as flat as I can. Once I've done that, I'm just going to add some shape to like my edges and whatnot. And we can obviously just leave it as it was, but I think it looks nice if you kind of do something with your edges. So I'm just using a toothbrush or my brush that I use to sleek it down, or a little skinny comb or rat tail comb like that, to just do my edges and my baby hairs and all that good stuff. And I just used my Eco Style that I was using for my entire head. I don't have to use anything extra. So this is a very, very easy style. And then the last step, which is super, super important, is to tie it up with a scarf. So now I've done my makeup looking cute, and now I'm going to add in some hair. I'll have the exact type of hair that I had down in the description box. So I'm just using my wide tooth comb and just kind of combing through, trying to make it look a little more natural and fluffy and less defined. Then I'm literally just going to add that to my ponytail in the back and flip it over. Then was going through and just fluffing it out some more. When I originally did this, I just wanted to do a bun, so I just used one pack of hair. So once I put in a bun, that's what this looks like. And I actually really like this in a bun, but I thought for pictures and whatnot to actually see it, I just kind of left it in a ponytail, but I definitely love it in a bun. It looks really messy and cute. But to leave it in a ponytail, you would just take one piece and wrap it around the base. And that's about it. Also, make sure that if you are going to do a ponytail, use 2 packs of the crochet hair, not one, because it will look a little bit thin if you only have one. But that's about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.